Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Okay, as you know, we are in chapter number 9, ledger and posting. Okay, this is very interesting chapter, and we have taken some live lectures also, student. Now we continue. Now, student, in ledger chapter, I have taught you the topics in which there were only one journal entry. Okay, we have practiced some examples, but that was of only one journal entry. That suppose any one journal entry is given and you are supposed to prepare ledger, but that was quite easy. But in exam you will not be given only one entry. There will be more than one entries, maybe 3 entries, 4 entries, 5 entries, depends on the type of question. Okay, so today we are going to learn a sum in which more than one, means two journal entries are given. Okay, so this is the question on your screen, student. You can see the question. Two different journal entries are given. In first journal entry, there are three accounts: cash, furniture, and capital. And in second journal entry, there are two accounts: purchase and cash. Okay, so now we are supposed to prepare ledger accounts from this question. Okay, so let's start, student. One more thing, student, if you can see that in the question, cash account comes twice, student. If you see the first journal entry, there is a cash account. It is debited in first journal entry, but in second journal entry, again there is a cash account, but it is credited. This time it is credited. Okay, so cash account is repeated twice. Other accounts are not repeated, like furniture, capital, purchase. They comes only once, but cash account is repeated. So if any account is repeated, student, you need not to prepare two different accounts for cash. Okay, cash account student બે વાર આવે છે, એટલે તમારે બે અલગ અલગ અકાઉન્ટ બનાવવાની જરૂર નથી. કેશ અકાઉન્ટ એક જ બનાવવાનું, પણ એમાં બે વાર પોસ્ટિંગ કરી નાખવાનું. એટલે યાદ રાખો, કોઈ અકાઉન્ટ જો રિપીટ થતું હોય તો એના બે અલગ અલગ અકાઉન્ટ નથી બનાવવા. કદાચ કેશ અકાઉન્ટ 5 વાર આવતું હોય તો કંઈ 5 અકાઉન્ટ નથી બનાવવાના. You have to prepare only one account, and in one account you have to post 5 times or as many times it is given. Okay, so let's start with the first account, student. Okay, so first let's start with cash account, student. Clear? Okay, so journal entry is the question, and below that question there is an answer. We have to prepare more than one accounts, but let's start with one account, cash account. Okay, so let's start posting, student. Cash account is debited or credited in first journal entry. Let's start with first entry. Okay, so you can see, student, that in first journal entry, cash account is debited. Okay, so as cash account is debited, posting will be done on debit side. Okay, but student, what should we write? What is the corresponding account? Yes, corresponding account is capital account, student. So we will write to capital. First, let's start with the date. What is the date of transaction? Yes, 1st January 2020. So I have written the date. Now the side is debit, student, because cash account is debited, so I have to write on debit side. Now write down the corresponding account. What is the corresponding account? Yes, to capital. કેશની સામેનું અકાઉન્ટ હોય ને સ્ટુડન્ટ, એને કોરસ્પોન્ડિંગ અકાઉન્ટ કહેવાય. કેશ અકાઉન્ટની સામે છે કેપિટલ. ઓકે, સો ટુ કેપિટલ અકાઉન્ટ વી હેવ ટુ રાઇટ. એન્ડ નાઉ લેટ્સ રાઇટ ડાઉન ધ અમાઉન્ટ વી હેવ ટુ ફોલો cash. Student, against cash 5,000 is written, and we are preparing cash account, so cash comes in the business. 5,000 comes in the business, so we can write 5,000. Okay, student, so cash account debit side is over. Now let's focus on second journal entry, student. Cash account is not yet over. There is one more cash account. See the second journal entry, student. See the 5th date. Yes, cash account is also there, but this time it is credited, student. Okay, so cash account is credited, so posting will be done on credit side. Okay, so let's write down on credit side. First, let's start with date. Date is 5th January. Then what is the corresponding account, student? Yes, purchase account. So by purchase we will write that is the corresponding account, and the amount against cash is 4,000. Okay, student. So cash account is over. Do you know what was new in this account? Yes, that there are two journal entries in this question. There are two journal entries, and in both of them, cash account was there. So we have posted on the debit side from first journal entry, and we have posted on credit side from second journal entry. Okay, but student, this is not over. Cash account is over, but sum is not over. We have to prepare other accounts also. Yes. Which are the other one? See the first journal entry now again. Below cash, which account you find? Yes, furniture account. Furniture account is repeated only once, student. Clear? It is not repeated twice. There is only one entry for furniture, only in first journal entry, so it will become easy. Okay, furniture account is debited, student, so posting will be done on debit side, and the corresponding account is to capital account and 8,000. Okay, so let's write down the date first, 1st January. Then let's write down the corresponding account to capital, and the amount is 8,000. Okay, so furniture account is over. Now the third account is capital account, student. Capital account is also repeated once. It comes only once. Capital account is credited, student. So posting will be done on credit side. But there are two corresponding accounts, student. Cash and furniture. So we have to write twice. By cash 5,000 and by furniture 8,000. Date I have not written by mistake, but I request you to write down 1st January 2020. Okay, so cash account we have prepared, furniture account we have prepared, capital account also we have prepared. Now let's focus on second journal entry. In second journal entry, purchase account is there. Yes, so let's prepare purchase account. First, tell me the side, student. Yes, side is debit, purchase account is debited, so posting will be done on debit side, 5th January. To cash, cash is a corresponding account of purchase, and amount is 4,000. Okay, students, so all accounts are ready. Cash account is there, but cash account we have already prepared. Okay, so total 4 accounts we prepared, student. Cash, furniture, capital and purchase. Cash comes twice, but ledger will be one. Ledger account will be one, student. Okay, now in next video, I will give you even more entries, maybe 3 or 4 entries. Okay, so wait for that video, student. Then I will teach you the balancing of account, means how to cast the total and find the answer. That is also very easy.